Mastering object pronouns. Understanding their definition and function. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on grammar fundamentals. Today, we're diving into a very important topic: personal pronouns, more specifically, object pronouns. We're going to break down what they are and how they function in a sentence, to help you strengthen your English language skills. Let's get started. Object pronouns are a type of personal pronoun. They are called object pronouns because they take the place of the object in a sentence. In English, the object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Here's a quick example. John likes apples. He eats them every day. In this case, them is the object pronoun, replacing apples. Now, let's talk about how these object pronouns function in a sentence. Object pronouns are used as the object of a verb or preposition. They receive the action in the sentence. Here are some examples. She loves me. Object of the verb, loves. He was talking to her. Object of the preposition, to. Remember, the object pronoun always comes after the verb or preposition. To really master object pronouns, you need to practice. Here are a few examples for you to try. Can you replace the object in these sentences with the correct object pronoun? 1. Can you help Sally and John? 2. I am going to visit my grandparents. 3. She gave the dog a treat. Take your time to think about each sentence and remember the object pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. And that's a wrap on object pronouns. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what object pronouns are and how they function in a sentence. Keep practicing, and before you know it, using object pronouns will be second nature to you. Remember, practice makes perfect. Stay tuned for more grammar lessons and keep up the fantastic work, English learners. Until next time, happy learning!